Hey, this is Mike from Clearview Filtration. We're testing LS oil pump bypass pressure today using our Mighty Prime priming system. The LS pump we got is a milling, high volume oil pump for LS's that come with 3 different springs. And so we're going to test the bypass pressure. This is a high volume performance pump. And basically in the kit, we get an oil pump. And we also get instructions here that come with a couple different relief springs. So they come with a green relief spring and also a yellow relief spring comes in the kit. Green one's high pressure, the yellow one's low pressure. They got an orange spring in here that's medium pressure. So that's what we're going to be testing for. Basically, Clearview, since we made this Mighty Prime and it pumps so much pressure, we're able to test the bypass pressure in oil pumps by using the Mighty Prime to feed through the outlet port of an oil pump. It'll back feed into this side to where it'll open the bypass valve and it'll dump oil out of the pickup screen side. So we're just flowing oil backwards through there. But it's going to give us the pressure that the pump pumps. Clearview, we've made a billet plate that this oil pump's going to bolt directly to. We got a number 8 port that the Mighty Prime is going to feed, and then a pressure gauge on the opposite side. So it's as simple, and I don't have these ready for sale yet. We've just done a few prototypes here, but it's amazing being able to check your bypass pressure in just a matter of minutes. Never been able to test bypass pressure before building engines, and now you can, before the oil pump's ever bolted in. So we have an O-ring here that's going to seal that port. The oil pump's just going to basically bolt directly to the 4 studs that are there. We're going to put washers on there. Just like that. The kit, when I have it ready, is going to have the nuts that come with it so that you don't need anything. Be able to bolt this up just like that. One more. Tighten it down. Just that easy. Now we have that pump bolted to our pressure plate and it's going to tell us our bypass pressure. Now any crank driven thing, the gear can flop around in there. So it's absolutely necessary that we take a timing gear, this is a used one, off an LS, and we're going to put it in there, center that drive gear, and basically we're going to put that timing chain gear in there, and that'll keep that centered and also help it from rotating and dumping more oil out of it. But this way we'll be able to test the bypass pressure. We're going to hook it up on this Mighty Prime and we're going to basically test it real quick and then we're going to change the springs. LS pump's got a plug here. You just take the plug out, you can swap your spring in and out. So that's the easiest way to be able to swap it for pressure. But we don't know which spring to use and we don't know exactly how much pressure they're set at. So that's what we're going to test. We'll get a close-up and I'll show you what the pressure is on this pump. All right, we're all hooked up here. What we've done is basically we're sucking out of this bucket with the Mighty Prime, going into the Mighty Prime. We took the line that usually sucks oil out of the oil pan. We took that off and we're just sucking out of this bucket. The oil's going to go through our Mighty Prime into the outlet port of the oil pump with the pressure gauge on it. It will hit bypass pressure. The excess oil will be dumping out of the pickup screen hole and tell us what the oil pressure is. We just ran this thing just a little bit ago, so we might not have to prime it. But if you put this together for the first time, you'll have to use your oil can, squirt some oil in the holes, and prime up the Mighty Prime to be able to work. I think it might just take a prime now without priming it again. We'll try it. All right, here we go. We're going to test this oil pump. It's got the original orange spring in it right now. Here we go. I feel it. There it is. Oil's pouring out of there. I'll get a close-up of that so that you guys can see the gauge and see the oil coming out of that. Now that we're zoomed in, you'll be able to see the pressure gauge. And here we go. Okay, we are sitting right exactly at 70 pounds of pressure right there. So this high volume LS oil pump with an orange spring pumps exactly 70 pounds of oil pressure. Every time we run it, it'll go right back to 70. That's where the bypass is set. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take this plug out. We'll be able to do it with it just sitting right here. Taking this plug out of the oil pump. Trying not to drop it in my bucket. Okay. That opens the spring. I'm going to take the orange spring out. There's the orange spring. We're going to put the green one in. We don't want any lower pressure. Yeah, the green one definitely feels like it's got more pressure for sure. Just by trying to start it. Little awkward where I'm trying to do it at here. We're going to push it in there, try to get a thread started. Get that plug screwed back in. Just like that. We're going to tighten it up. Get a little oil off the gauge so you can see it. All right, we just changed to the heavier spring. Let's see what it's got. Whoa. Straight to 80 pounds. So it did gain 10 pounds of pressure by going to that heavy-duty spring. And that is a true story. We just put this oil pump in my son's LS that we put in his truck. And he got a high-performance motor that we put the heavy spring in there. And his gauge only goes to 80. So it'll peg its gauge right when the motor starts. And then when it's hot, it'll run about 8 to 9 pounds less than that is what he tells me. So that's 80 pounds is what the LS should start up at using this spring. Using 50 weight oil. Might be a little variable depending on the weight of the oil, but just like that, we know when we put this pump in our LS, we should be up into the 80 pound range. Mighty Prime does a lot more than just prime your engine. Just like that, oil pump out of a motor, we know exactly what the bypass pressure is set at. All right, now that we've tested both springs on that LS pump, it is true, it's 10 pounds difference so that you guys can know out there. But if you have a Mighty Prime to prime your engine with, you can also test your bypass pressure. Anybody out there maybe have a Coyote motor? We'll make one for a big block Chrysler too. But if you got an oil pump that you want to be able to test pressure on using our Mighty Prime, call us. We got no problem building an adapter to test every oil pump out there. So this is a really cool thing that the Mighty Prime will allow you to do by testing the bypass pressure of your oil pumps, and along with keeping your motor primed every time you want to start it. You get on that Mighty Prime with a cordless drill, and just a matter of seconds, your motor is primed and ready to start. Thanks for watching today. Any more questions? Give us a call at Clearview Filtration. Thank you.